Vayetze, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parsha for the Geulah, which means for the redemption. Geulah means redemption in Hebrew. This is article number 7 because Vayetze is the 7th Torah portion. Just as in the creation story, in the beginning of Genesis, the work was finished in 6 days and day 7 marked completion, so too, in the order of Torah portions, this week's Torah portion of Vayetze is the 7th portion and shows the completion of the founding fathers of our nation with the birth of Jacob's children, literally the children of Israel, the tribes of Israel. 11 of the 12 sons of Jacob and tribes of Israel are mentioned in this week's Parsha. Benjamin being mentioned in next week's Parsha. Judah, was the 4th son of Jacob and Leah. When Yehuda was born, his mother Leah simply was obligated to give a special praise to God by saying, Hapa'am Odeh es Hashem, this time I will praise God. Genesis 29:35. Obligated to and needed to are appropriate words here, for in Gematria, the name Yehuda has a numerical value of 30, and the word for obligated or liable is chayav, which also has a numerical value of exactly 30. Is this to say that Leah did not need to or was not obligated to express thanks for her first 3 special gifts from God, Reuven, Shimon, and Levi? Perhaps there is a hint to something deeper that can be decoded in the realm of Gematria. Let's take a look at what number son was Yehuda. Son number 4. What else can we think of that is number 4 that can shed light on this question? The 4th day of creation, Yom Revi'i. On that day were created the sun, moon, planets, and stars for times and for seasons. How do we perform the commandments that God gave to us in the Torah? When do we know that we need to do them? When do we study the Torah? When did we receive the Torah and its commandments? When will the final redemption come with the appearance of the Messiah? When does a woman go into labor and give birth? How long? The answer to every question with the word when in it is the word time. Time moves, time enforces, time obligates, and was said to be based on the sun and the moon on day 4 of creation, as Yehuda was child number 4. Perhaps the special praise of Leah concerning Yehuda is connected to these special gifts and obligations that are moved by time, which is dictated by the movement of the sun, moon, and planets, which were created on the 4th day, as Yehuda is the 4th son. Yehuda has a numerical value of 30, just as chayav, obligated, has a numerical value of 30, to make reference to those things that obligate us and our obligation to give thanks to the Creator for them. Shabbat Shalom. Have a great Shabbos.